Hey guys, so today we're going to work on an investigation. We are going to work on investigation 1, the zero power. So I believe this is on page 3, 4, and 5 in your packets. So, zero power. So the way that we relate the zero power to the real world is by a piano keyboard. Middle A at 440 hertz on a piano keyboard has a frequency of 440 hertz. How do the frequencies of the A's below and above this change? So we're playing the piano. Do 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 do. All right, and we have this lovely table. So this is a place value chart that you probably have seen before, most likely in elementary school. So usually we start at the ones. So in this case, in the ones spot, we're going to have 10 to the 0 power. If I move over to tens, that would be 10 to the first power. If I move to the hundreds, it'll be 10 to the second power. If I move over to the thousands, it'd be 10 to the third power. And then finally, 10,000s would be 10 to the fourth power. So my exponent always goes up by 1. 10 to the 0, 10 to the first, 10 to the second, 10 to the third, 10 to the fourth. Now I need to go backwards, so I'm going back to my 10 to the 0. And then if I have 1/10, that would be 10 to the negative first. And 1/100th would be 10 to the negative second. All right, so we have that also in a table format over here. What would the question mark be? We need a base of 10 and an exponent of 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off? Just kidding. It'd be 10 to the 0 power. All right. So we have our questions. What patterns do you observe in the table? So as you move down the columns, what happens to our exponent? You have to tell me, does it increase or does it decrease as you go down? After you type in your answer, then we have the standard form. So the standard form, are you multiplying by 10 when you go down, or are you dividing by 10? Now if we do the opposite, as we move up the column, so if I go up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Are my exponents increasing or decreasing? And then is the standard form, as you go up, multiplying by 10 or dividing by 10? So fill in the blanks right over here.